excellence isn't measured by how far a machine can drill. It's measured by how far trust can travel, from India to the world. Vaibhav Engineering continues to push the boundaries of engineering excellence, built on precision, reliability, and decades of expertise. Vaibhav Engineering has established a strong presence across 27+ countries worldwide. Today, its drilling solutions are trusted across continents with a growing presence in countries including Australia, Brazil, Portugal, Ireland, Kenya, Nigeria, Bangladesh, and Oman, along with many other international markets. With every machine delivered, a stronger global footprint is created. In 2023, Vaibhav Engineering proudly represented India at an international engineering exhibition in Uzbekistan, showcasing innovation, connecting with industry leaders, and opening new opportunities in global markets. It was more than an exhibition. It was the beginning of a bigger vision. In 2024, the journey expanded further into Africa, strengthening international relationships, building customer confidence, and introducing world-class drilling solutions to growing industries. Every interaction brought new possibilities. Every connection strengthened our commitment to excellence. In 2025, Vaibhav Engineering successfully participated in Kenya's International Engineering Exhibition, reinforcing its position in the global engineering landscape. Because progress is not built by machines alone. It is built through trust, partnerships, and a shared vision for the future. Today, with more than 50 machines exported globally and a presence spanning 27+ countries, Vaibhav Engineering continues to deliver reliable drilling solutions that industries around the world depend on. And this journey is only just beginning. From India to the world, Vaibhav Engineering, the name of trust.